South Korea is scrambling fighter jets near the border. The reason why it has been doing so, because it has detected more than 180 warplanes near the border. In the past few days, North Korea has fired missiles towards South Korea and Japan, and now South Korea is being cautious regarding any further attacks. North Korea has taken this step after South Korea conducted joint military exercises with US, and after that North Korea fired missiles near South Korea and Japan. South Korea has said that they are now being cautious and any kind of attempted attacks will be tackled very effectively. Stay updated with me.